Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's go ahead and open attachment number 2 provided there at the bottom of your email invite today. Let's talk about the three essentials for business success. There are 3 main ones. 3 essentials for business success, and you'll see that at the top of that list is what we're going to talk about today. It's motivation. Then there's goals. Once you're motivated, you have to set goals. Once you've set those goals, you have to apply those goals to a system. A system. You're going to take those goals, you're going to take your motivation, set your goals, take all that and apply that to a successful freight sales system, which I provide, either whether you're with our office or if you're already a current freight agent and you're struggling, then go ahead and go to my Freight Sales Success store and purchase those products that I went over today, especially that Freight Sales Success Guide. So you're going to take your motivation, you're going to take your goals, and you're going to apply them to systems that I've already set up. Those are 3 essentials for business success. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.